Hello everyone, this is Mahima Singh, legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today we'll talk about exclusion of time under section 12 to section 15 of the Limitation Act 1963. Now section 12 talks about the time that has to be excluded from computing time of limitation in legal proceeding. Subsection 1 says that the day on which the cause of action arises, the day shall be excluded while computing the period of limitation for any suit, appeal or application. The day from which such period is reckoned, the following time has to be excluded from computing the period of limitation. What are those times? That is the day on which the period of limitation for any suit, appeal or application has been reckoned. Now, in case of appeal or application for leave to appeal, revision or review of a judgment. Now, the day on which the judgment complained of was pronounced, necessary time for obtaining a copy of the decree, sentence, order, appeal from or sought to be revised or reviewed. In a case of decree or order is appealed from or sought to be revised or reviewed, or any application for leave to appeal for a decree, the time requisite for obtaining a copy of the judgment. In a case of application to set aside an award, time requisite for obtaining a copy of the award. Now we'll discuss section 13, 14 and 15 in the next video. Thank you.